Hi everyone, this is Harshdeep, and I am the founder and CEO of Legitt AI. So we're planning to launch the next version of the platform, Legitt 3.0, in next couple of days during this week, which has updates for most of the important components or the key components that kind of create a seamless flow for the deal stack and the contract stack on the platform. So I've been testing all the functionalities and I'm mighty impressed by what we have built and the capabilities of the platform. What I thought was that, okay, even before we launch, let me show some of the capabilities that we have built on the editor, especially. This is an AI native editor, and we are proud, and we've been struggling hard or working hard to make it the best AI native editor across the globe, across any platform, and I'm vouching for it. So just click on create. Once you click on create, you land on the editor. There are multiple functionalities that you'll see here. You can edit. There is this formatting toolbar. You can upload a contract and then edit it, or you can use templates. By default, generate with AI is always active. Even if you start uploading a document that has been created externally, or you use a template that has been uploaded, by default alongside this will be generate with AI. Or even if you do not have any external document or do not want to use the template, you can directly start generating with AI, and this is what I'll show you in this video. So what you can do is say whatever information you have. I'll just give very basic information of generate, or let me say draft a contract between Legitt AI and NASA for implementation of Legitt AI contract intelligence. Okay, this is all the information I have right now. I know for creating a contract you require a lot of other information, details of the parties' names, the legal jurisdiction, what are the commercials, all that stuff. I am acting as a small business owner who does not know all these details, does not have the details, the legal details, does not know what all components needs to go into creating this contract. So what I'll do is I'll just click on enter. The Lana agent, it starts creating all the information, generating the key clauses, drafting various sections, and within a few seconds it'll draft the agreement. Yeah, it just took, I think, 3 to 5 seconds to draft the agreement, start drafting the agreement. You can see Legitt AI contract intelligence implementation agreement. It'll properly structure, beautifully format. It's still adding these details. I'll show you a couple of important information. Yes. Okay. Yeah, the contract has been drafted. Took less than 10 seconds to draft the contract. Now the important thing here is Legitt AI contract intelligence implementation agreement. Whatever information we gave, that okay, one party is NASA and the second party is Legitt AI, but the agent knows that okay, you need the legal jurisdiction for NASA, the address for NASA, whatever variables are there. For example, date, you require the date also, that okay, when, by what date this agreement will be effective, and then beautifully it'll draft all the details. Say for example, here it does not know that okay, the agreement shall remain in effect for the period of X years, maybe 1 year. Okay, so wherever additional information is required, it'll update, it'll keep it as a variable, and you can further update it. Say for example, I can just tell Lana that okay, update the legal jurisdiction to the state of Delaware, or update the signatories names as this and this, or I can directly update here as well. Okay, I click on save, it'll change the legal jurisdiction to Delaware for a period of say 30 days, 30 months, or whatever you want to keep it. Wherever you want to change it, you can change it. And if you want to add additional information, say for example here I want to add another clause, I can do that. Okay, I want to add additional elements, so just click on backslash. You want to add a table, want to add an image, a pricing table, a page break, another bullet list, or I want to add numbers. Whatever I want to add, I can add it here. Once I've finished drafting, I can also ask Lana that okay, can you help me updating the termination clause so that it is in Legitt AI's favor. Okay, click on enter, it'll go through the details, and it says okay, term and termination, this is certainly based on the termination clause in the document. Here is an updated version, and it will give you the updated version. Okay, now I can just tell it to update it in the document, or I can check that okay, whether the existing termination clause is okay, or do I need to update this. I can tell it to update the termination clause as per the new suggestions that Lana has given. So once we have done all these things, click on save. Okay, once we have given all the information, I'll not go into all those details. You can add other things. Say for example, I can add signatories. By default, what it does is it'll add the person who's drafting the contract as a signatory. You can add the second signatory as well. Let me add my co-founder Ravi as the second signatory. You come back, you see the second signatory here. I can drag and drop that okay, this person needs to sign here, this person needs to sign here. I can change the place as well. If I want to create the workflow, this works exactly like it is in the current version, but I'll still quickly take you through this. You can add signatories, you can add CCs. Say for example, somebody just wants a copy of the contract. It's not the person is neither a signatory nor a collaborator, but just wants a copy. You can add that. Collaborators, you can add say for example, let me add Varun as a collaborator. I can give him various roles. Say for example, I can make him the editor, I can make him the owner of this document, or I can make the person as a approver as well. Click on add collaborator, and you can see in the workflow that we have added Varun as a collaborator, Harshdeep and Ravi as signatories, and then there are additional functionalities also, which I'll go through these in another video. But I really wanted to show you what we have built on the editor side. So this can be used for creating agreements. This can be used for creating proposals, reviewing agreements that's been sent to you by external parties, external stakeholders. You can upload, review it, update it, edit it, redline it. Redlining is another major thing that has come up, but I'll create a separate video for it. This video, I just wanted to focus on just the drafting part. We'll go to each and every detail. There are a lot of functionalities. If you see in this menu, you can create a deal room. Once you are, say, creating a proposal or a contract, you can add, say, people from your organization, other organizations. I'll go through all these functionalities one by one, but I would love you guys to try the drafting part of agreements that we are launching in the version 3.0. Thank you.